Hello, my name is Colin Blankenship, and I'm going to talk about our current project. This is a quick concept sketch I've done. Quick, I say. Spent about a day on it. Excuse me. But it's a bunch of pieces that I put together to create the basic shape. First thing I did was get a basic, let's get rid of that one right there. Get a basic outline of what I want, and here's a basic reference of kind of the layout that I'm looking to do with some turrets and some entry points. This is a sunken arena, battle arena, and so what I started to do is I built up some basic walls using these pieces. So zoom in there. So like this one right here, it's just a basic wall piece. This one. There we go. It's just a basic wall piece that will fit in between these two kinds of pillars. This right here is an actual. This right here is a wall piece that's just basically built from two of these, and from that I do a quick layout to build up the space that I'm working with. Let's go ahead and hide the pieces, and outer ring, stairs, 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 middle ring. So I built the basic inner ring. I just basically copy pasted, and from there I was able to actually create some basic doors. And they're just basic pieces. I just stuck them on there. Oopsie. I just stuck them on there, painted the background white, and stuck them where they would fit inside the actual space that they need to fit into, which is for this one, the pillars. From there, I was able to actually create the second set and third set of rings, which you've already quickly seen. So we've got the middle ring, and that's just kind of broken up to be a little random. And then there I had the top and bottom of the outer ring, and the same doors as it is down here. Created some basic stairs to fit into the space here, doing the exact same thing with the doors. I did a different set of stairs here so that they would actually kind of fit right on top of the doorway more effectively, and I'm just still playing with the design a little bit. But right now the basic stairs are working just fine. And then from there I was able to actually kind of create a basic floor. I have a let's turn all that on. Okay, so I built a basic floor that goes here, and this one that goes there. And what I have here is basically kind of a flour and dirt and sand with on top of a stone wall type stone surface. And then I actually built the floors the same way I built everything else. I did a very modular system. Let's turn that opacity up. I built one floor, and it fits inside this triangle piece that I use as my layout, and that actually fits inside between the wall sets for the most part. The overlap there between these two walls is intentional. I anticipate having this floor kind of work across multiple levels of arena, and then I built it up from there. There's the actual background. Excuse me. Turn that back down to 50. Add the sketch back in. I'm going to turn the reference off. Add the shading. Add the doors. Add the stairs. A little highlight here, kind of helping things out. I started working on some of the destructiveness, destroyed aspect of it, to see if I can kind of play around with the actual, just the variation of everything. But essentially, this is the idea, and it reflects exactly what we're doing in this project. So I'm doing a bunch of repetitive pieces over and over and over just to make sure that I get the actual layout and design that I want. This wall is going to be, the top wall is going to be probably about 8 to 9 feet tall. This is supposed to be the actual arena where they actually are fighting. This is the second ring here is going to be where the people will watch. I'll have benches and things of that nature. If I do wreckage, it's coming through one doorway, like something kind of blew through here, and it's going to be in a triangular effect in this area. And then these walls are the same height as these interior walls here. So I'll just have a shorter set here, a bigger set here, and then I'll repeat the same thing. I'll have a floor pattern and a tile set there, and then I'll carry that floor pattern and do some breaking and some destructive aspects of it and carry it on these pathways this way. And then here's some rocks. This will be where two rivers meet. It's going to be in the story. But anyway, it just kind of gives me an idea of how I want to lay up my project. I definitely am spending a lot of time on this because I want my portfolio piece to look as good as anything I could put out there. So there's still more work to be done, but right now it's working effectively for me to move forward to the next step, which I will do in 3ds Max here in a little bit.